snacks is something that we all love and enjoy, and today I'm going to show you guys a very popular cookies which is called rose cookies, or otherwise known as Achu Murukku. Now this is a lovely mild sweet snack which is usually made during Christmas time. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the rose cookies, first I'm going to make the batter. For this, take 1 cup of rice flour in a bowl. To this I'm adding 1/4 cup of Maida or all-purpose flour. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. To this I'm going to add 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Now if you'd like it a little extra sweet, you can always add a little extra powdered sugar. To this add 1 teaspoon of white sesame seeds. Next add 1/4 teaspoon of powdered cardamom. Mix everything together. To this I'm going to add 1 cup of thick coconut milk. So today we are doing the eggless version. So instead of egg, I'm using coconut milk. So to get the right batter consistency, I'm going to add just a little more coconut milk. You can see it's very thick now. Gradually pour the coconut milk and mix it. So the batter is a good dropping consistency. It's not too thick or too runny. Check and see the sweetness. If you'd like it a little more sweet, you can add a little more powdered sugar at this point. Now I'm going to make the rose cookies. For this, take a kadai, pour enough oil for deep frying. So while the oil is getting heated, I'm also going to heat the mold. Heat the mold in the oil at least for 2 minutes before dipping it into the batter. Remove the mold from the hot oil, dip it into the batter. Make sure you only dip it 3/4, not completely. Before you dip the mold into the batter, mix the batter once and then dip it into the mold. So I've got a non-stick mold for the rose cookies. So there you go, here are these delicious and crispy treats that everybody will love and enjoy at home. Make them in batches and store them in airtight containers. Enjoy this Christmas with these delicious treats. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 Frames.